So guys, yes, now it is at 634. If you guys can see, it did go up. Okay, so once I short sold at 635. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 7th of May and the time is around 9:12 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening. So let's go to pre-open market page. And yesterday the Nifty 50 is opening at 0.63% up. There is a little bit of gap up and it's opening at 14,816. So 14,800 is the resistance where we have in our Nifty 50. So let's see if it will hold up today. Okay, so advances stocks are 49, declines is only one stock, and unchanged is 0 stocks. So let's see the stocks which is opening in the most gap up section, that is SBI Life at 6.25% up, Tata Steel with 3.10% up. Okay, so now let us see the stock which is opening in the gap down section, that is Tata Consumption with 2.62% down. Okay, so yes, these are the pre-open market is opening today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, and also I'll be explaining the logic of the trade what I take. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Guys, Upstock is giving you free digital gold whenever you sign up using my link given in the description below. Okay, you can go to the link in the description below and open your Upstock account. So once you open your free account, you will get free digital gold of worth rupees 51 to you. Okay, and to open your Demat account, it's completely free. You don't have to pay any fees. You can use the link in the description below and click that link and open your free account today and get your free Demat trading account and free digital gold, and also brokerage free investment in stocks, mutual funds, IPO, and digital gold, and more. Okay, and once you sign up by using the link given in the description below, I'll add you to my Telegram channel where I give you stock information, news, and facts about stock market trading. So open the account now by going to the link in the description below of this video. So click the link and open your free account now and also get your free digital gold today. So guys, right now I've selected UPL stock to trade. Okay, so I'm planning to short sell this stock now. So yeah, I shall enter the short sell now itself. So yeah, around 635 is a short sell where I made now on UPL. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So waiting for it to come down now. So we are holding the short sell position on UPL. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, there is some kind of support near 536, so that's why it's taking a long time to break. So yes, now it is coming down. So as you guys can see, from few days the stock is sliding down. Okay, so if this level gets broken, the stock will fall at least 1%, and we can book our profit there. So we'll see how it will perform. We're still waiting for our target. Short sell at 635. Now it's around 66. So guys, yes, now it is at 634. If you guys can see, it did go up. Okay, so once I short sold at 635, it did go up till 640. If you guys can see here, I still held it. We'll hope that it will come down. So we'll see how it will perform. Still holding the short sell position. So yes, 63 now. So guys, there is a little resistance here. So if it breaks, it can come further down. So waiting for it. See, it again bounced back to 635. Little resistance over there. So if that resistance breaks, it will be easy for us to hold the short sell position. So we'll wait. We'll still wait. Okay. So guys, just waiting for 633 to get broken and go below 633. So once it gives a breakout on 633, so it shall easily go down. 63.6040 is just fluctuating there, and from there it is bouncing back again. And also, if you guys can see, the market is at 14,847, that is plus 0.83%, so almost 1% up, if you guys can see here. And we are holding a short sell position, so that's why it is taking much time. So guys, yes, now the UPL is trading at 631. So after a long wait, it has come down actually. So in the morning itself, it has touched 632, like 631.75, and I thought of exiting. Like yes, we did book like a 0.5% target here, but I thought the stock might still come down, and I held it. And not only that, even you can see the Nifty 50 morning you saw like it was 0.85% up, and now it's only 0.39% up. Okay, so even the Nifty 50 came down a bit, so that's why I was thinking of holding it. So Nifty 50, even the market is also in the downtrend now. Okay, so it's at 631, so the low made is 630.65. So I should take my exit now somewhere over here, because yeah, almost like 1%. If I hit like 6 to if I'm exiting at 6 to 9, it will be around 1% of target, like 6 rupees. Or we'll see, or I should take my exit around 630 also, because there might be a support level where the stock might just bounce off immediately. So let's not take a risk. Okay, so it was just a less volatility here, so that's why I held it. I entered a short sell at 635, so here somewhere over here it went till 637, and from there the stock again, it pushed it down and came till here now. So let's exit now in few minutes. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock made a low of 629.4. Okay, so it moved accordingly to our study what we're holding from the morning. Okay, so this trade did take a long time, but yes, it did go in our direction. Okay, so you can just see it from the morning also, like it is making a downtrend. Okay, like lower lows it is making. Okay, there is no higher high, so the stock is in the downtrend now. So yes, we'll see how it will perform. Still, it's now 12:52. Okay, so yeah, we can book the profit now. So it's almost like 1% profit, around 6 to 9 if I book. So guys, yes, I just took my exit around 629.50 somewhere over here, if you guys can see. And this is a support level what I had drawn in the morning itself, and from here you can see the stock is trying to bounce back. Okay, so it has touched 629 and now it's back to 631, so it might bounce back a little bit here. So that's why I just took my exit to be in a safer side. Okay, so this was a profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of UPL. So if you guys wish to learn the techniques and earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also, every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today and want to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.